if you want to delete all the photos on your iPad at once. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now to delete all the photos on your iPad at once, first of all, just open the Photos app, then just tap on Select at the top of the screen. After you tap on Select, now just select the bottom row of the photos just like that. And after you do that, now to select all the photos in your Gallery app. In the status bar, just tap on the time or the battery icon just like that. And by doing that, you will select all the photos and videos in your Photos app. Now just complete the selection process by doing that. As you can see, we have selected all the photos on our iPad. Now to delete all of them, just tap on the three dots over here and select Delete. Now just select Delete selected items. As you can see, we have selected 117 items. Just tap on Delete. And by doing that, you will delete all the photos at once on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.